Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to connect with someone on LinkedIn. So making connections is a good idea if you're looking for a job or trying to build your business or you just want to make a name for yourself. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's have a look at the definition of the different connections. So LinkedIn connection buttons allow users to build their professional network with primary connect buttons, while follow buttons are used to subscribe to updates without a two-way connection. So this is what you might find. Some people will have a connect button and some will only have a follow button. But even if they've only got the follow button showing, I'm going to show you how you can still connect with them. So you can use the search bar to find people you want to connect with in a certain industry. So, say it's small business owners in e-commerce. So, I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to use the filters at the top to further filter the people I see. So, I'm going to click on people and I'm going to have a look at what I've been offered. So as you can see, some people will have their connect button showing so you can easily connect with them. Say you want to connect with this guy and you can only see the follow button. What you can do is click on their profile and click on the three dots and then click on connect. And that will send them a connection request. You can choose to add a note or send without a note as well. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe, and I will see you soon.